Okay, hello again fellow mathematicians. So we have part B of this question, which says the sum from n plus 1 to 2n of r plus 2, r plus 3 is equal to 1/3 n, 7n squared plus 27n plus 26. We have from part A, this is why hence gives that away, so from 1 to n, instead of n plus 1 to 2n of r plus 2, r plus 3, is equal to 1/3 n squared and 9n and 26. So, how do we make this useful to find out? Well, I guess the sum from r equals n plus 1 to 2n of this is equal to the sum from 1 up to 2n of that. Take away, well, if we're going from 1 all the way up to n plus 1, up to 2n. If I'm going to add all of those together, then to get to n plus 1 to 2n, I need to take away all of that stuff. So I'm going to take away from r equals 1 to n. That would leave me with n plus 1 up to 2n of that stuff. So, 1 to 2n is, we can use this because 1 to n, I've got that formula, so 1 to 2n, just sum in 2n. So I get 1/3 lots of 2n times 2n squared add 9 lots of 2n add 26. Take away from 1 to n of that stuff, which we've got here. So 1/3 n squared add 9n add 26. Right now, with these show that's, it's useful to look at what they've taken out as a factor. I'm going to do that same thing straight away. I know that's a factor, 1/3 n, 1/3 n. Okay. Leaving me with a 2 times, and so this 2 is going to multiply each term. So I'm going to get 4n squared times 2, which is 8n squared. 18n times 2, which is 36n, and 26 times 2, which is 52. Take away all of this stuff without the third n, that's gone outside. So n squared add 9n add 26. Let's make those square brackets. Okay, now clean up the inside. 8n squared take away n squared is 7n squared. 36n take away 9n is 27n. 52 take away 26 is 26. Easy, hey? Right, the factorization is hard, so go back and watch that again. If you're not clear, and try and do it yourself, please.